Hi, so what are some of the things you should do when you come to tour a property? Like I said, it's not just for you to come and see how beautiful the property is. What are the likely questions you should be asking? So I typically ask for the current vacancy because I want to be sure or know if at the time at which they did the operating memorandum, if things have changed and between that time, because it's possible. Sometimes this operating memorandum have been there for months. It's possible things have become better or worse. So I also always ask about the average vacancy in that location because the property you're going to tour might have some challenges that your competitive properties are not having. Peradventure, you get everything fixed, you get the right property manager, you'll be able to achieve what the market is also doing with the right operations on ground. So another question I normally also ask is, what are the upgrades that have been done by the current owner? Is it classic? Is it a partial upgrade or a full premium upgrade? And what are the rents you are receiving? You need to know the difference. It will help you in doing your projections. That is to say, when you're doing your business plan, if you decide to upgrade, let's say 50% of it, are you going to go do the partial one? If you're going to do the partial upgrade, what is the rent bump that you can get if you do partial? And what is the rent bump that you can get if you do full? This will help you in your projection so you can project rightly. I also like to verify what the plumbing system is. Yes, we have all those things in the OM, but I just want to be double sure that whatever it is in the OM is correct. So I'm verifying everything I've been told from the document. I'm verifying the roof, what year it was replaced. I'm also verifying the boiler hasn't been replaced recently. I also ask questions like, what is the challenge this property is currently having? Like the one I just visited today, they said it's a management challenge. The current owner is the one managing it with its own property management, and due to that, it has reduced the occupancy. Another thing we also were able to get at was that the current owner also reduced the budget for advertising, and that has not helped since he bought the property. That has declined the property. So depending on the property that you are buying, some of them need high advertisement and all that. Some, if they're very stable, you really might not need to spend a lot of money on advertising. So these are some of the questions I ask when I come to a property, and after that I now go around and take a view of what the property looks like. But I won't take a view of what the property looks like until I find out what exactly is between the lines that nobody is talking about. And one final thing, I also always ask for the current prices of the units. Why I do that is to compare what they have in the OM, and also like to ask the property manager, is your pricing at the market right now, or you guys are still below the market based on your survey? And I pretty get a lot of information from the current property manager. So use that as your tool anytime you come here. I hope you enjoyed these tips of mine, and please have a wonderful day. Thank you.